players along the way, no? But we still put up a good fight against Ginebra. Ginebra deserves to be in the finals. No? They played with consistency in this series. They shot the ball well, especially from the 3 points. No? Justin Brownlee and RJ just carried them on their shoulders. No? And we found it hard to really match up, no, with those two guys. So deserve nila na mag-finals, and we wish them the best of luck, no, in the finals. But on our side, we'll start preparing for the next conference. We will determine who our import will be, and then we're hoping that yung mga injured players namin, at least some of them can get back and help us in the next conference.
Coach, itong grupo nyo, siyempre another semi-final exit, but this is the closest chance nyo na maka-final sa... Obviously may sense of frustration and also hope na...
Yeah, pero siyempre may frustration, pero may kulang pa rin, no? Kailangan naming hanapin at siguro pag-aralan pa kung paano namin mabubuo, no, yung isang team na panglaban ng finals, no. We're happy about our import, si JJ, but iba talaga yung nilaro ni Brownlee, no? Iba talaga yung nilaro niya, deserving of yun nga, sinasabi ko nga, he could be the best import of all time naman, considering all that he's achieved, no, dito sa PBA in all the years that he's played. We gave ourselves a chance. Actually, every game may chance kami na manalo. Meron lang pagkakataon talaga na na whatever momentum we build up, and at the point where we can probably turn the tide, may sagot sila. So, ganun talaga. Veterano sila, and they're very talented, they're well coached. But I'm still very proud of what we've accomplished and what we've done. Malapit na. No? Siguro, konti na lang. Tingnan natin next conference kung kaya pa namin mas makalaro deeper into the playoffs.
Coach, going back lang kay RJ kasi parang talagang you made an effort na talagang bantayan si RJ, different looks, different defenders. So how difficult was it facing RJ, and how crucial was him in this series?
I think he's playing his best conference. He's playing his best conference this conference. We put a lot of thought and work into trying to disrupt or defend him. Pero magaling talaga, may talent talaga yung bata, no? Kaya lang hindi naman kami titigil, no? Hanggang siguro hindi namin mahanapan ng paraan para hindi lang maging semis, siguro makakarating din kami ng finals balang araw.
Coach, you felt like umumpleto sana kayo.
Pero ganyan talaga kasi sa sa basketball, no? That's why we do not even mention it. We do not even make it an excuse, no? Hindi naman namin sinasabi, sana kung nandyan si Limeti, sana kung nandyan si Kitatu, or sana yung isang magaling naming rookie na gamit namin, si Jun Roque. It doesn't work. You cannot make that an excuse. Mas magaling talaga nilaro naman ng Ginebra.
Coach, may possible movement before the conference, or
Wala pa. We're retaining our team. And next week, ang pag-uusapan namin is yung import lang. Sino lang yung magandang magandang dalhin na import for the next conference.
May list na kayo.
May shortlist kami. Ano lang naman yun sa akin no? Follow the rules. No, meron tayong rule na ganoon talaga. No? Na ang ano ko lang doon, it has long been in our rule book, but it has long been not implemented or not applied in his case. Tapos nung binanggit ko siya or sinita ko siya, ang sagot niya sa akin, wag ko raw pakialaman dahil Board of Governors sila, coach lang ako. Parang ganun yata yung It doesn't matter kung ano posisyon mo. Kung ano yung nasa rules, dapat pinapasunod sa lahat. Ang nasa rules natin, only the coach and the first assistant can talk to the referees. And for a long time, nangyayari yon nang walang consequence, no, doon sa parte niya. So, nung kinall out ko yon, hindi naman niya pwedeng isagot na Board of Governors siya, no? Wala naman exception doon sa walang exception doon sa rule. And also, kaya ko kinall out because the league does not apply the rule to him, no? So, yun lang sa akin, yun lang. Ganun lang kasimple yun. No? It doesn't matter what your position is. Ang importante, meron tayong rule na ganun. It's in our rule book. Only the head coach and the first assistant can talk to the refs. Meron pa siyang sinabi na mas malakas daw ako mag-intimidate na mga referees. I think that is an admission on his part na nag-intimidate siya ng mga referees no? In-admit niya, nag-intimidate siya ng referees dahil sinabi niya mas malakas ako mag-intimidate. Pero ang part ko naman doon is when I coach, I am submitting myself to the authorities, to the authority of the refs. Pwede nila akong i-technical, pwede nila akong i-fine, pwede nila akong i-eject, pwede nila akong i-suspend. Natikman ko na lahat yun. No? Pero siya, kahit technical, wala pa siya natikman. No? Kahit warning, wala nga siya natikman. So, it's totally different no? It's a totally different situation. So, napakaliwanag, may rule tayo, sundin natin yung rule. Hindi nagmamatter kung anong position mo. And I think kung ganun ang mentality niya, that's arrogance. No? Na dahil ba Board of Governors siya, pwede niyang ignore yung ganung rule? Hindi naman siguro dapat. Ako, pag siniguan ko referee, minura ko referee, may technical ako, may fine ako, may suspension ako, may ejection ako. Tinatanggap ko lahat yon. So, may consequence para sa akin. Hindi ko alam bakit matagal na rule na yon na hindi nag-a-apply or hindi ina-apply sa kanya. So, inano ko lang yun dahil siguro para may closure na. May closure na yung usapan na yan.
Nag-usap tayo.
Hindi pa.
Wala pang closure with this statement.
Sa akin meron ewan ko sa kanya. No, kaya inexplic ako na lahat Kaya sinabi ko na lahat. Napakaliwanag ng rule na yon. Only the coach and the first assistant coach can talk to the referees. Nasa rule book natin yun.
Magkaroon ng chance for you to talk.
Walang problema sa akin. Matagal na kilala si Al Chua. 25 years na kaming magkakilala niyan.